A-E-I-O-U. Vowels help words come through. 5 little letters, that's the crew. A-E-I-O-U. They pop in cat and bed. They help us read what's said. Without them words would sound so strange. They help the sounds to change. A is for apple and ant. E is for elephant. I is igloo and ink. O is octopus pink. U is umbrella in the rain. Say them once and say again. A-E-I-O-U. Vowels help me and you. Every word needs one, it's true. A-E-I-O-U. A in cat, hat, map. E in pen, ten, hen, that rhyme. I in pig, big wig. O in dog, log, frog, so big. U in sun, run, fun. Learning vowels is #1. A is for apple and ant. T is elephant. I is igloo and ink. O is octopus pink. U is umbrella in the rain. Say them once and say again. A-E-I-O-U. Vowels help me and you. Every word needs one, it's true. A-E-I-O-U. In house and car, in near and far, in tree house, robot, star. Vowels help words go far. In school, playground, zoo, there's always at least 1 or 2. Try to find them when you read. Vowels are what words need. A-E-I-O-U. Let's shout it loud, woohoo! Short and long they sing their song, helping us all day long. A in apple, E in egg, I in insect on a leg. O in octopus in the sea. U in up like you and me. A-E-I-O-U. Now you know them too. 5 small letters, big and bright. Vowels make reading just right.
Watch our channel, Mom's Little Lesson.